Hey guys, it's Lauren. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I got to this final look. It's a simple get ready with me. It's been a while since I've been here on YouTube. I have missed you guys, so let's just strap on in if you're ready to hang out with me and see how I got to this final look. Then you know the drill, just keep on watching. Okay. I'm back! I'm back? I hate saying that. I hate saying like, welcome back, because I feel like that just accentuates the fact that I've been gone, and I'm not proud that I've been gone. I feel like I've been busy and I've been wanting to film, and it's been so many reasons why I haven't, and really there's like no one good reason. So yeah, I don't like saying welcome back. I just want to be like, hey guys, in today's video, you know, like I don't want to feel like a slacker. Anyway, so we are back. I'm so happy to be here filming. I've thought about coming back for so long, but honestly, the day's reality just like comes and goes so fast, and I just feel like I never have time. But today I set aside some time, so I'm super excited. I figured for my first video back after a little bit of a hiatus, I would do a regular get ready with me. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I'm just gonna get ready. It's gonna be like my everyday makeup, so let's get it started. I always love to throw my hair back, so that's out my face. We're gonna start off with a moisturizer. Today I'm using my Olay. I've been using this moisturizer now for probably months, because I definitely used it in my last video. I love the smell of it. It reminds me of the beach because it has SPF, and it's just like so just sunscreeny. I love that. I really love the smell, and it glides on beautifully. Well, I would hope so. It's a moisturizer. Looking at my skin, I have a little bit of color. I'm not my usual pale self, and that's because a couple of weeks, really months ago, I went to Jamaica, so I still have a bit of that tan, so we're gonna rock with it. We're gonna roll with it. Today we're using Hangover RX's primer. I love this guy because it has coconut water. I think that that makes it so nourishing. It really is cooling. I just like to dap two down there, and then I throw one up here, one up there, and I like to just warm up my fingers a bit. And then I go in the T-zone. I used to just kind of like rub my primer and moisturizer in and not really think about it, but now I like to really kind of be strategic. I feel like this is the area where my pores are really noticeable, so I really like to just give it a little bit of extra attention, because I want it to really blur out over there. Alright, so let's talk foundation. Like I said, I have a bit of a tan, but really not so much. So I've been using two different foundations. I feel like I do this a lot. This mix is new though. I have my Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in the color 125 Nude Beige, but what I've been using more often is a little bit of a darker color, and this is the 220 Natural Beige. It is Maybelline's, this is a great foundation, the Up to 24 Hour. I love this guy. This is a really good foundation. Okay, so what I like to do is just take one pump of the darker color, and I like to just lay it down on the lid, and then I'll go in with a little bit of the lighter color to balance it out. Taking my Real Technique sponge, I'm just going to blend it all out, and you're gonna see my face is gonna be a little bit more in color with the rest of my body. My nails like match my shirt, my skin. I'm just really, this is a very nude, maybe this will be a nude look. I feel like this is very nudie. Okay, let's do it. Okay, next step, we are going to conceal. Usual, I love my Tarte Tape Shape. This is my favorite under eye concealer. I have dipped and dabbed into a couple of other brands, but for now I'm gonna stick to what I know, and that's this guy. So we're gonna hit up all the usual areas, and I'm gonna blend it with my Real Technique sponge. For the under eyes, I like to really, really, really go in there with the Real Technique sponge and press it. I'm not like using a lot of pressure. I'm just trying to really get the product in there so that my fine lines are not visible. The older I get, the more I see myself learning or trying to learn new techniques for under the eyes. Okay, so while we're talking about under eyes, I'm gonna set it with the Laura Mercier setting powder. And recently I've been doing this a little bit different. Just one extra step to be a little bit more conscious. I like to just dip my finger in to make the product a little bit more movable, so lighten it up, and then straight from doing this, I like to throw the setting powder on. And then I just bring that product up over my eyelid and I use this as my eyelid primer. So now that's ready for some eyeshadow. Last, I'm just gonna use my finger to blend out the nose. I honestly have found that my finger works the best, better than any brush. So I stick with this, better than any brush, okay? Boom. So then I go and I just, this. Set it. Okay, speaking about a new product, this is L'Oreal's Inflamable Pro Matte 16-Hour Powder, and I got it in the color 200 Natural Beige, and I've been using this now as like a translucent powder instead of using Laura Mercier to set all of my face because I have a bit of a color to my face. I like to use this guy. So I'm using this product just for the purpose of mattifying my face. Just setting where the foundation was applied and concealer. Make sure up here, no shine, no shine. Okay, maybe bring it down. Let's do the eyebrows. I have been taking a pause on my BH Cosmetics Brow Trio. Now I've been using the NYX Professional Makeup. This guy will run you probably $6. I got it from CVS. I have it in the color Light, and I'm gonna just do my eyebrows as I normally do. I like to shape them with some powder, and that's pretty much it, so you could watch. The reason why I like this product so much is that it comes with a mini spoolie. So step one, I do a little bit of spooling. Step two, I go in with this cute little brush. This brush makes the eyebrow technique amazing. To seal the brows, I like to use a gel. I got this guy from I feel like a BoxyCharm. It's the Fill and Tame Brow Gel in the color Brunette. I'll be honest, I don't use this every day for work and stuff, but if I'm like going out, it's the weekend, I like to just lock in the brows. It's just an extra step, so if you got the time, do it. It's not an essential. For my eyes today, I am just going to use, oh no, actually, I'm gonna use something new. I got this Cover FX. Little ASMR for you. I got this Cover FX. It is their Sculptor. It's their Perfector face palette. It's all these gorgeous colors. Let's actually show you. There's a brightener, a highlighter, a contour, a finishing powder, a blush, and another highlighter. I'm actually gonna use the contour color for my transition. Just like a really nice chocolatey brown, and I'm just gonna go in there and lightly brush it in to see what we're working with. So I want to go in and use what I normally use, and that's the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour or powder bronzer in the color 20. I would open this up to show you. Well, let's see. It broke. Oh, so sad. Can you see? This kills me. This kills me. I just do a little dot, 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 dot. And I'm gonna throw it in there. What I like about this tawny color is that it's not like a brown bronze. It has like hints of an orange to it. And that's what I really like about the color. Now honestly guys, like I don't wanna do much more for this look. Like we're keeping it chill. It's getting hot out here. It's definitely, I'm feeling it. Should we do something on the lid? Actually, I have this really awesome Makeup Revolution London palette. Got it from CVS. But look at these colors. Now, it is a blush palette, but I would definitely use this for the lids. So that's what I'm gonna do. Which one should we use on the lid? I think this guy. I'm just gonna use my finger. I'm gonna rub it on in. I'm just gonna tap it on. Ooh, look how pretty. Oh. Well, Pally, like that's what I'm thinking of. I'm gonna go back in with my trusted bristly brush, no, fluffy brush. I'm gonna go back in with my fluffy brush and I'm just going to, I didn't add any extra product. I'm going back in with whatever leftover tawny powder I have, and I'm just lightly going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth so that the transition between the glitter and the matte color is good and seamless. Okay. That looks really good, if I don't say so myself. The next step is one of my favorites, and that's mascara. So I actually have used this mascara before on my channel, but it's only now really that I've realized that it is my favorite beyond favorite mascara. It is my clutch, my go-to. I've already ordered 2 since getting it in my BoxyCharm, and that is, drumroll please, this guy, Superhero by It Cosmetics. And that is the name of it. Yeah, so it's the greatest. I'm gonna do my usual pump, pump, pump. Still live by a good old eyelash curler. Okay, now we're just gonna go in. I like to lift my lid because my lashes kind of fall into the bottom lash line, so that's why I like to go like this, because I like to hit up every last lash. So I don't really like doing it on my bottom lash. Let's contour and then we'll discuss the bottom lash. Okay, we're gonna contour with Tawny. But before we contour, I'm gonna show you a new product that I've been using. It's dirty. It's the Ulta Beauty Matte Bronzer. It's a natural looking finish in the color Cool. So I got this a while ago after I got back from Jamaica. I had a tan, but I noticed that with my tan and contouring, like I needed a little zhuzh to help out with my color. I needed to warm it up a bit. So I got this guy, and I'm just gonna use this now to warm up my complexion a bit. I'm just gonna use it down here, just a bit. I'm like defending myself, no one's even saying anything. Okay, we're doing it like this. And then this just like slowly building, just honestly a surface brush, there we go. So now that this is looking bronzed, I'm now going to contour. I got this brush from, where is this from? Luxie. It's their 512 small contour brush. I love this brush. It is so awesome for contouring. So I'm just using this broken palette again, or this broken pan, and I'm going to hit up my contour areas. We're gonna add some blush. I'm gonna go in with this new palette I got. It's by Alamar Cosmetics. It is a blush trio. I just really like these blushes. And I feel like you could use these, or I know that you could use these for eyeshadows. So for blush today, I'm gonna use this color, the Castaway color. Mostly. I think this is... I feel like this is the face you make when grandmas pinch your cheek. Alright, next are the lips. Today, before I put anything on, like when I get ready and just like when I like to moisturize my lips, I've been using this Kapari. My dog got into it, so yeah, he tried it. It smells like coconut. It's really good, so I'm assuming that's why he got it. But yeah, this is like a little bit of a moisturizer. Actually, one of my favorite ASMR YouTubers, Mads ASMR, she has recommended this, so I got it because of her. But today, because we are going out and for the purpose of the video, I want to use something a little bit more fun. So we're going to use this Rimmel East End Snob to line the lips, and then I'm going to use this gorgeous color called Truffle by A Dose of Color. I love this. So here we go. Alright, let's do a little bit of the bottom lashes. Just a drop though. I wish I had a different mascara because this one's so good that I'm nervous it's gonna like really hit them up, you know what I'm saying? And now I'm just gonna go like this. Curl them bad boys. And the last step. Now that we curled the lashes, I'm just going to use my sibling brush to blend everything. Take the headband out. I so need a haircut. Guys, the last time I got a haircut was on my channel, and that was over a year ago. Just look at this. Whoa. So long. But anyway, enough about the hair. We'll get to that in another video. This is my completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I've missed filming. I definitely want to get back into it. I figured a nice, easy, casual get ready with me was the perfect way to like slide back in. So I hope you enjoyed. I love you guys so much for watching, and until my next video next time, bye guys.